If you are someone who loves to dunk in something with your evening cup of tea, this Kerala style tea shop fried cake will definitely hook you up. They are made with very simple ingredients and can be made easily at the comfort of your home. As usual, a written recipe for this cake is there on my website. I have given both cups and gram measurement there. If you are new here, hi, I'm Nadira. Welcome to Nadiskitchen. So let's begin. First we need 6 eggs. Take them to a blender. Then I have added 2 cup plus 2 tablespoon of sugar. Then goes in half teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of salt. Then blend them for a minute, not more than that. If you overbeat the mixture, the cake will be more softer, which we don't want in this cake. Now pour them to a large bowl. Then you need to start adding ghee and oil. I used equal quantity of ghee and coconut oil. Altogether I have added 20 tablespoons. You can also use ghee alone and slowly add them as you mix. Next we need to add all-purpose flour. I have used 5 cups of flour in total. Please don't dump all the flour at once. You need to incorporate little by little as required. You may need little less or more flour than I used, as some flour may need more moisture. Goes in little more ghee. Your dough should be non-sticky like this. In another bowl, apply some oil and keep your prepared dough. You need to cover and keep it for 2 hours to rest. Our dough is ready now. Now take a teaspoon of dough and make smooth balls out of it. Size totally depends upon your liking. I personally prefer small size because it is easy to get cooked inside out. Now heat oil in a deep bottom pan and add our dough balls and fry them on a medium to low flame. If you overheat the oil, cake will darken quickly outside and inside will be raw, so keep an eye on your flame. Turn them often to cook evenly. Can you see cake has splitted? The cake should split like this. That is the indication of the right consistency of the dough. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Don't worry by seeing oil too for me, that is because of the egg we used in the dough. We got approximately 100 small cakes here. I hope you're gonna give them a try. Please let me know how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And do click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's me Nadira signing off for today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.